Okay, so I have a badly done tub here. Well, badly done tile. This tile should have came out to the front and down to this bottom of this deck. Now when you see how that moves? It moves everywhere. Well, that is an unsupported tub. So what we'll end up doing is we'll fill the tub with water. We'll fill this gap here with clear silicone. Then we will put this piece of vinyl trim in and we will silicone it to here so that when the tub goes up and down it can. And that's about the best I can do for covering this foolish drip edge.